Right here.
Sometimes it'll graph in
Yeah, I'm keeping watch for that, but
things that
look
resemble.
like yep.
But
I didn't record
if you stay
on
on it, then if it moves, it shifts, and you know.
I didn't.
That's a good one.
I didn't start.
That's
That's because this is Sophia. She's just refusing to go to the corner and hang out.
Which one is that?
Here?
The app
Ghost Tube. Sophia. There's 8 in there. 8 of them. Different sizes, different shapes. Some look like men, some look like people, some look like boxes moving. There's 8 of them. I got them on film. Alright.